In this guide, you will learn how to create an attendance record list in Excel and then import it into the employee's time cards. Under the tab Payroll, select the menu Attendance. Click the Punch Import option. To download the attendance record template, click the Import Punch graphic. Enter the employee's attendance information to import under the Employee ID, Department ID, Punch In Time, and Punch Out Time columns. Click the Save graphic. Click the Close graphic. Back in AlChavo.com, select the file to import. Click the selected button. Click the Copy of Import Punch object. Click the Open button. Click the Upload file. The input was successfully completed. On the Payroll tab, select the Attendance menu and click on Time Cards option to access the imported data. Congratulations! You have completed import attended records from Excel guide.